Service in Boston has issued a special marine warning for the Buzzards Bay coastal waters extending out to 25 nautical miles south of Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket. Coastal waters from Provincetown, Massachusetts to Chatham, Massachusetts to Nantucket, Massachusetts out 20 nautical miles, Nantucket Sound, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Mashpee, or near Falmouth, moving southeast at 35 knots. Hazards include wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Hyannisport, Madaket Harbor, Nantucket Sound, Surfside on Nantucket, Great Point Light on Nantucket, Brand Point Light, Nantucket Shoals Buoy and Point Gammon.